Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online courses with Udemy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse the available courses by category or use the search bar for specific topics. Take note of course ratings and reviews to gauge quality. Look for courses that frequently offer discounts or special promotions. Sign up for Udemy's newsletter to receive updates on sales and offers. Consider enrolling in courses during major sale events, such as Black Friday or New Year. Explore Udemy's free courses to start learning without any financial commitment. Check for coupon codes available online through various websites. Follow Udemy's social media pages to stay informed about flash sales. Join online forums or groups that focus on Udemy courses for additional tips and exclusive offers. Compare courses by different instructors to find the best fit for your learning style. Review the course curriculum and preview videos to ensure it meets your needs. Keep an eye on the course duration and effort required to finish. Once you find a course you like, consider adding it to your cart for later. Return to your cart periodically to check for potential price drops or promotions. Evaluate the return policy in case the course doesn't meet your expectations. After you purchase a course, take advantage of Udemy's mobile app for convenient access. Engage with the course community by asking questions and participating in discussions. Set a learning schedule to take full advantage of the course material. Always remember to review and save your favorite courses for future reference. Continuously check back for new courses or updated content in your areas of interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.